Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a entryway, minimal and trendy makeover. I actually wanted to start doing more videos like this on my channel. Living in a studio apartment and working with limited storage can sometimes be challenging and just not functional at all. So I wanted to show you guys what I come up with, different hacks and different styling tips. So we are starting with the entryway because it's the first thing that you see when you walk in. It's just so bare and boring, so we're gonna change that. If you're not subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and let's get right into it. So this is my hallway slash entryway, and as you can tell, it's pretty narrow. There's not a lot of wall space to work with. You can also see the entrance to my bathroom as well, and this is pretty much the first thing that you see right when you walk in. I'm starting off with this faux fur rug from IKEA. It was super inexpensive. I believe it was only $15, and it's so cozy. I'm also going to put a bench here from IKEA, and yeah, I just really love the idea of somewhere to sit and put on my shoes before I head out for the day. One thing that I felt that lacked in this space was storage. So I'm using this shelf from TJ Maxx, and it's so beautiful. It's wood and metal and just has a geometric vibe to it. And this is a perfect place to put your sunglasses, your wallet, your keys, so that way when you're ready to leave, everything's all in one place. And of course, you gotta add some plants. This basket was actually thrifted. It was $3. And adding a throw pillow for some extra comfort, and of course my favorite pair of mules from Madewell, in case you're wondering. Well, that is it. That is my entryway mini makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'd love to do more mini makeovers, so let me know what you'd like to see next in the comments down below. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!